Hello everyone, you're welcome to Fashion Styles Diary, your ultimate destination for African fashion inspiration. Get ready to elevate your style with the latest Ankara dress designs that will make you shine. 2024 latest Ankara dress styles for ladies is all about bold prints, vibrant colors, and stunning silhouettes. From statement-making blouse designs to breathtaking African print dresses, we've got you top trends to inspire your wardrobe. Stay ahead of the fashion curve with Fashion Styles Diary. African fashion is not just about style, it's about culture and heritage. Explore traditional Nigerian and Ghanaian designs that will transport you to the heart of West Africa, only on Fashion Styles Diary. Give your traditional look a modern twist with our expert styling tips. Learn how to mix and match prints, colors, and textures to create stunning outfits. Exclusively on Fashion Styles Diary. Don't miss out on these must-have designs: elegant African gowns, trend skirts, and blouse styles, and show-stopping Ankara boubou styles. These styles are suitable for all occasions, including wedding ceremonies, church services, owambe parties, or any special occasion. Your ultimate style guide is here on Fashion Styles Diary. Thanks for watching Fashion Styles Diary. Subscribe now for daily updates, styling tips, and trending designs. Join the African fashion revolution and stay stylish with us. I will see you in my next video. Bye.